Let's take a look at Templafy and PowerPoint. Great presentations start with the right content. Templafy makes it easy to find, use, and create on-brand materials, so every slide is professional, consistent, and impactful. With Templafy, you have everything you need at your fingertips. Access presentations to start your work, and use slides, slide elements, and images to build and edit your presentations efficiently. And depending on your setup, you may have access to additional integrations. Before we dive into all the great assets available, let's start by building a new presentation. In the Home tab, click Create a new presentation. Templafy ensures that every time you start a new presentation, your company fonts, colors, and layouts are included, making you instantly compliant. When you need a specific template, click Find a Company Template. Browse and choose the relevant template in the Composer window. When you find the right template, select it and click on Open. You now have the perfect canvas to work on. Anytime you want to start a new template, you can easily reopen the Composer by clicking one of these buttons. Now that we have our presentation, let's add some slides from the library. In Templafy, you'll find two types of slides: individual slides and slide collections. You can expand the Templafy task pane to access your content. To insert a slide, manually navigate to the slide you're looking for or use the search bar to search. Templafy will search keywords, tags, and the content on the slide. When you have found the slide you're looking for, just click it and it'll be inserted under the slide you had selected. When clicking on a slide collection, you'll insert all the slides that were grouped together. Now that we have slides, let's add some slide elements to make the presentation more engaging. Slide elements will insert on the slide you are currently working on. Popular slide elements include icons, charts, graphs, and other visuals to help you make your presentation stand out. You also have access to company-approved images right in PowerPoint. No more browsing online to find relevant images, they're all available right inside of PowerPoint. To add an image, select your placeholder and click on the image of your choice. Resize the image if necessary and click outside to validate its position. All of this is great, but what if you want quick access to your most used assets? As you work, you can save your favorite slides, templates, and elements by clicking the star icon. That way, everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and try it out for yourself.